than an off-road jack that's a pain to carry.
Ew.
That when you do finally get it on its cradle, it's a pain in the ass to get it to sit right because it's too heavy. It's got no way to grab it. Is it all the way down? Nope, it's not all the way down.
Well, we got a solution for you.
Hey guys, Holly, we keep it dirty off-road. Today we're going to play with a Pro Eagle jack. I'm going to show you guys a must-have mod you should do to this thing to just make it easier to use. If you have one of these or any off-road jack, you probably try to move it in and out of your truck, and it's a pain in the ass. It's hard to get any leverage on the back. None of these have a handle. You can kind of use this, but if you have it like I do, it ends up being on the wrong side, so you need a solution. So I'm going to show you how to do it today using an old belt or an old strap or whatever you have lying around to basically make it easier to carry this thing. Full credit for this idea goes to the guys down at Expedition Off-Road. I saw it on their Instagram, thought it was a killer idea, and I'm basically copying it to do it on my jack. And the main reason is it's a pain. It's just a pain to carry this thing around. I know my boys hate carrying it around, and they're the ones usually doing it most of the time, so hopefully with this it'll be a whole lot easier. So first things first, you want to go ahead and take both of these bolts off. Gonna need some larger washers just to kind of hold it better in place. You take your belt. Highly recommend you double it up right here. Give yourself enough for a handle. We're gonna go about there. Okay, and again, don't forget to double it up. It's kind of important that you double it up so you get a little bit more strength at that tie point. We're gonna give ourselves a little spot. Go ahead and cut a hole. Pull out your washer. Okay. Make sure that you put the double up on the inside. Give it a nice little tighten. There you go. Now let's go ahead and do the other side. Alright, bud. Give it a try. See how it works.
Yeah, I like it.
Okay, go ahead and grab the whole thing and put it in its spot. Look at that. A whole lot easier to put it in place, huh?
Hell yeah.
Okay, let's go ahead and take it down. Put it back on the tailgate.
Sexy, and I know it.
So there you go, guys. Very simple mod. All it cost me was a belt. You can use an old strap. It doesn't matter really. And it really makes it so much easier to quickly carry and handle your Pro Eagle jack. So, all right, guys. Let me know if you guys have any questions in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe. And thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you guys on the next one.